Morning. I'm just letting you know that I'm going to be doing a manicure hand mask today. This is our little sample size, so that is on our website. Also our big sizes too. So all you need to do is make sure your hands are nice and clean and washed before this happens. So it comes in a little pot like this. It's all sealed, so you just unpeel it. Take a small amount, put it in your palm of your hand and warm it up just a little bit. You can feel it warming as well. So then you literally apply a thin layer down your fingers and on the back of your hand like this. A little bit more. Let's take some of the. You leave it on for 10 minutes, but I'm not actually going to be keeping you on here for 10 minutes, so I will just show you what to do. Make sure it's all down your fingers and you leave it on your hand like that for 10 minutes. You wash it off, and what I will do, I will give you a review of how my hand feels after the 10 minutes. So read the comments and it will be under there. Thank you for your time, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.